Searching for a job? Stop. Looking for career in IT MNC? Join our free demo? Look no further. Introducing Build Network with.
Hello everyone, my name is Shahanwaz and I am from Bhagalpur, Bihar. I have done my graduation in the field of electrical engineering from National Institute of Science and Technology, Bhagalpur, Odisha. After my graduation, I wanted to move into the IT industry, so one of my friends referred me to eVision and I joined eVision online full-day job internship program under the guidance of IT managers and administrators. The course was designed really very well and all the trainers were really very helpful. They are sharing their IT experience to us and I got selected in Fourth Dimension Technologies Private Limited as a desktop support engineer with a salary package of 2.5 LPA, and I am really grateful and thankful to eVision to provide this opportunity to me. Thank you so much.
Senior IT Manager, Senior IT Administrator. Make your dreams come true. Don't just work hard, work smart. Through eVision experts. Learn from the best. Boost your IT technical skills. And more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity to be a part of IT MNC. Job bole to eVision.